Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to connect Binance to DEX Screener in 2025. If you're into decentralized exchanges and want to track your trades more efficiently, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll have your Binance account seamlessly linked, giving you real-time insights without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have a Binance account set up. If not, head over to the Binance website and create one. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to the API Management section in your account settings. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create API and give it a name like DEX Screener Connection. Remember, security is key, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Next, you'll need to generate your API keys. Binance will ask you to confirm your identity, so have your 2FA ready. Once created, copy your API key and secret key carefully. They're like the keys to your crypto kingdom. Don't share these with anyone. Now, hop over to the DEX Screener website. Look for the Connect Wallet or API Integration option in the Settings menu. Paste your Binance API key and secret key into the designated fields. Hit Connect and DEX Screener will verify the link. If everything's set up right, you'll see your Binance data pop up, showing live DEX activity. One quick tip. If you run into errors, double-check that your API keys have the right permissions, like reading trade history. Also, keep an eye on Binance's updates for 2025, as they might tweak some features for better security. There you have it. Your Binance account is now connected to DEX Screener. This setup will supercharge your trading game. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.